Hello, my beauties. Happy Diwali in advance. So get ready with me for Diwali. Let's get started. I usually moisturize my skin with Botanica 3D serum. Now I will use MAC Prep Plus Prime primer. I will warm it out in my hand and dab on my face. Now my favorite foundation, L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hours. It blends very easily, affordable, and it is a medium coverage foundation. Blending out with a kabuki brush, and later on will remove the excess product with the help of a sponge. Using compact from LA Girl Pro HD in the shade Natural. As it is a Diwali makeup, let's try some glittery eye makeup. Hope you like it. Comment down your thoughts and also comment down how you guys are getting ready for Diwali. Before applying the glitter, I am using the Makeup Studio 2-way gel. Applying the green color kajal which complements my attire. For your convenience, I will give the product details in my description box. Miss Claire Bronzer, blusher and highlighter from Delanci palette completes my makeup, and also the lipstick from L'Oreal. I will mention the shade number in my description box. Just to give a reddish hue on my lip color, I am applying the Maybelline one on top of the previous one. So guys, this is my final look. Don't forget to accessorize yourself. I have put a gajra on my hair, big earring, red bindi and sindoor. Accessories play a great role in your makeover. Comment down how it was. I will be glad to read your comments. Follow me in Instagram and Facebook. My Instagram handle is Rumu Mridha. If you liked it, show me your love by subscribing my channel. Happy Diwali. Take care of your and your family. See you on the next video soon. Bye. Love you guys.